Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Hamid Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel Computer Expert. Today I will teach you how to make multi-bootable USB for Windows XP, for Windows 7, for Windows 10 and also for Windows 11 and DLC bootable USB. First of all, we will go to Google Chrome and I will type here Ventoy and after that I will press the enter. After he will give you this page and now we will press the Ventoy. This is the main page of Ventoy, a new bootable USB solution. After I will go to in downloads. This is a main page of Ventoy. He will give you Ventoy 1.081. This is the latest version of Ventoy, Windows for Linux and for Live CD. And I will go to for Windows. Now he will give you Ventoy 1.081. This is the final version and latest version of Ventoy system. After I will go to in down page and now I will click here Ventoy 1.081 windows.zip. After he will give you the message, start the download. Now I will open the folder and he will give you Ventoy, and after that I will right click on this page and I will go to extract files. After he will give you this folder, I will open this folder and now you are looking here a lot of files. After I will go to Ventoy to disk.exe. I will double click this file and now you are looking here our USB. Now I will connect the USB and refresh this one. And now you are looking our USB is connected here. He will give the message Kingston data travel G2. And after that I will click the install and I will type here YES and then I will press the enter button. After he will give you the message, the device will be formatted and the data will be lost, continue. After I will press yes and after he will again the message, this device will be formatted and all the data will be lost, continue, double click. After I will press the yes button and now our USB is going for bootable. After 1 minute he will give you the message, congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed to the device. After I will press the OK and close this file. Now I have all ISOs for Windows. You can download from Google. I have Windows XP ISO, I have Windows 10, Windows 7 and also you can put the DLC boot 2022, 2013, 2014, 2019. First of all I will go to ISO image of XP. Now I will send to this ISO in my USB Ventoy. Same as it is, you can send to another ISO. Now I will send to Windows 10. Right click and send to in USB. Same as it is, I will send to Windows 7 ISO. Right click and send to in USB. After I will restart my PC and check for display. First of all we will connect the USB and restart the PC and after I will press the F12 button because I have Dell laptop. The Dell laptop boot menu is F12 and after he will give you one blue screen. The first one he says this is our hard disk and second one UEFI, this is our Kingston bootable USB. After we will select and we will go to enter button and look here, alhamdulillah, our bootable USB Ventoy is done. Now he is giving two ISO image. First one is DLC boot 2013 and second one is Windows 10. First I will check the Windows 10. We will select the Windows 10 and then I will put the enter button. After he will give you boot in normal mode. We will select the first one, boot in normal mode, and then I will put the enter button and now alhamdulillah our bootable USB is working here 100% okay. Alhamdulillah, we have successful for Windows 10. This is a main page of Windows 10. After same procedure you can use the Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10 also. See you until next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.